Hello, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax and Stuart. Welcome aboard this brand new 251 Scout XSS. What an awesome boat, I'll tell you what. Looking forward on the bow, you can see all these cushions and these backrests. It's phenomenal for hanging out at the sandbar. That center section comes out and rises up as a table. It's removable. And then it also makes a great filler platform, so the whole bow of the boat for your fishing days is set up fantastic. All the cushions removed, so again, you can configure it for the sandbar, hanging out with the family, fishing, whatever you want to do. Big, comfortable seat on the front of the console. And one very unique feature is this console opens up, has a huge storage compartment inside, plenty of room for a porta potty and locking things away and get them out of your way. This boat's equipped with a beautiful T-top, hard top on it. It is powder coated. Real nice rod holders on the side of it to get your rods out of your way. Boat's configured with a real comfortable helm seat setup that has the bolsters that flip up and down, so you can either sit comfortably or you can stand and run the boat that position. Boat is equipped with a large Garmin GPS fish finder, your Yamaha gauges, has a great sound and stereo, easy controls as far as reaching for your switches, your jack plate control. Now this boat's also configured with a 304-stroke Yamaha, great run and fuel efficient engine. It does have a power pole shallow water anchor on it, which is a wonderful feature. And the boat has 3 live wells. It is configured with one of the live wells being a release well. And I gotta tell you what, the ride of this boat is phenomenal. People get out and ride this boat in rough water and they just are blown away. For more information and to get out on it, please feel free to give me a call. Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.